everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill and today we're going to have a look at this Stuffaloons maker station. Okay, so I purchased this myself, thought it might be a nice idea for the grandkids to play with. Obviously you need adult supervision as well. And I get everything out of the box. This was just purchased from eBay. And the box says that it comes with "12 clear balloons, 10 mini balloons, 2 curly ribbons, 6 reusable clips, 4 display cones, 2 sparkles and 2 confetti." Alright, I'll put the box to one side. We can have a look what we've got here. Okay. We've got the instructions enclosed. Create your own amazing filled balloon for yourself or as a gift. Use the maker station to stuff it with anything you want, then inflate it, seal it and decorate it. Make Stuffaloons for any occasion, celebration or just for fun. Alright, so number 1 is place the clear dome onto the maker station and twist clockwise until it locks. It's already on now. Number 2, insert the balloon into the dome and carefully stretch the neck of the balloon around the neck of the clear dome. So it's going in upside down. Let's just find our balloon. In this one. So here's our balloons. So it's going in upside down and then the neck is going around the top of the dome. Start pumping and the balloon will inflate within the clear dome. Keep pumping until the balloons fill the chamber. If the balloon doesn't inflate, check the clear dome is closed tight and the seal is clean. So you start pumping this side and you can see it inflating now. Okay. If this is your first try, practice balloon first with no stuffing inside and go to step 5. Once you've mastered the process, come back and try again, add in stuffings. Now the best part starts, it's deco time. Choose whatever you like to put in your balloon. Do not use sharp objects, the balloon may break. You can choose stuffings that come with, or get creative and choose your own stuffing. To fix things like a small teddy, tie a thread or ribbon around it, then stuff it into the balloon. Leave the thread or ribbon hanging out of the top after the balloon is fully inflated. Pull the thread or ribbon and seal the balloon with the clip. Okay, so let's stuff it with something. So we've got sequins. Put some gold sequins in. We've got some blue hearts. I thought with Valentine's coming up, this might be a nice idea to make one and give it to your loved one. Right, so I've got some Recollections, just hexagonal sequins. I'm going to put some of those in because it's coming up for Valentine's. And we've got some silver ones, we'll put those in. Right, just get all these little ones together. And obviously you can put anything you want in there within reason, as long as it's not sharp. Okay, put the pink bung gently into the neck of the balloon in the vac chamber. Make sure it is the right way around and don't let it fall inside. The pink bung, so that's in this pack here. And that's our pink bung. The pink bung gently into the neck of the chamber. Holding it level with the edge of the chamber, carefully lift and roll the neck of the balloon up and it will snap into the slot around the pink bung. So you hold it here and it's got to snap into that area there, like that. It will seal tight and no air should escape. Now untwist the clear dome and take the Stuffaloon out. So then we undo this. So they will, if you're doing it with a child, you're going to need an adult. Here's the balloon. I think we could have stretched it a little bit more. Take the blue sealing ring and fit it into the pink bung. So I presume this is the blue ring. Yeah. And you have to fit it around the neck of the balloon like that. Oh. Okay. Right, let's try again then. So, yeah, I think I overinflated that one. There's sequins everywhere. Jesus. Right, that's a lot of hoovering up to do. Okay, so I had the blue thing ran the wrong way. So let's start again. And it said don't overinflate, didn't it? Right. Red sequins, silver, what are these? Little paper shapes by the look of it. Put some of those in. Tissue paper shapes. Okay, let's try not to burst this one. Right, in goes the pink stopper. Take off the globe. Put the blue cap on. Start pumping. Right, that has actually got to go right around the neck of the balloon. Like that. Okay. So it's like a little cage around the pink plastic. Make sure that it's tight on. And then you can pump the balloon up. go too mad. Okay. You can remove the blue sealing ring and carefully remove the bung and start decorating the outside, perhaps with curly ribbon and a string to hang it. Okay, so we take the blue cap off. So you twist the balloon like that while it's still on the pink bung. You then add your ribbon. Do not pull the bung out. Put the special clip around the twisted neck of the balloon, snap it shut. So that's the white clips here. So we twist, put one of those around it. Like that. You can remove the blue sealing ring and remove the bung. Start decorating. So now we remove that. And it's not coming, the air's not coming out. We'll add some curling ribbon to the top. Okay, so I've had a little bit of a tidy up. So we were covered in sequins. Done some curling ribbon around the top. And then they provide these stands. Like this. And you just, that's actually meant to go through the front first and then into the back. And then it holds your Stuffaloon. Like that. Okay, so to pump up the little balloons, you take this back off. You attach the pink bung, screw side down, and then you put your little balloon over the top of the hole, like that, and pump him up. That's it. Take him off, tie him up. And he goes inside your balloon. So we're going to make one with this little pig toy and see how we get on. Okay. Another balloon down inside the chamber. Start pumping up. Goes our little balloon. It's probably a tad big. Okay. So let's make him a bit smaller. So that's about the size that you're going to pump it up to in order for it to fit inside. Let's take this out. Right, so in goes our balloon. In goes our pig. Sequins. Round the bung, undo the chamber, the cage around the base, and twist. Blue cage comes off, white clip, and then the balloon comes off the pink bung. There we go, and the pig's inside. With his balloon, and it does say that if you use a damp cloth to gently wipe your inflated clear balloon, then gently wipe it dry with a soft dry cloth. This will improve the transparency of your balloon. Okay, so there we are, 2 different Stuffaloons. Obviously you can decorate as much as you like. It's just a demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your continued support and for your likes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.